global IQ and logic competition. First of all, I would like to thank Polymath Kids for organizing this event that brought brilliant minds from all across the world to compete in such an amazing competition. For me personally, it was nerve-wracking, but it also was fun and exciting. It's a truly amazing experience that I will always treasure. Secondly, I would like to congratulate my fellow contestants. I know you did your best and I appreciate it. You did really good. And also, I would like to dedicate this award to my beloved family, especially to my mom, who really pushed me and supported me throughout this wonderful journey. And always remember, believe in yourself and keep on learning. Thank you very much.